just about to. I kid you not. I literally just opened my phone. I searched for your number. And I'm like, bro, and you called me.
And I'm here.
Morning.
Morning.
आखिरी चैन की
Big day today. Long day today. Big day, bro.
डे शुरू होने दो भाई. मेरा ही लग रहा है मेरे को. नाइट चल रही है.
AM. इससे बेटर ही होने वाला है. So it's fine. 23, 22 degrees. Good. मेरे को ना एक्चुअली आप समझ रहे हो ओपन हेयर करना है बट कर्ल्स नहीं.
ये बहुत ज़्यादा है.
ये कर्ल्स नहीं. मेनली हमें जो आप समझ रहे हो कर्ल्स छोड़ के आप वो बाकी सब देखो कि ऐसे हम
ऊपर का तो
इसको
चलो चल
ये
जाएगा.
हाँ ये करेंगे
ट्विस्टिंग करके चला
एंड
जाएगा.
ये देखो ये लोटस के बड्स है ना यहाँ पे वो फिर आप प्लग करके
लग जाएंगे.
प्लेस कर सकते हो.
ठीक है. इसमें ना बीच में
कर्ल
wave
नहीं
करते
करना है
हैं.
मुझे.
हाँ, वेव करते हैं.
हाँ वेव रखना है सॉफ्ट.
हाँ.
Apply my mehndi again at night because this whole side there was no color. Like as soon as I had applied mehndi, I went for bath because वो हल्दी का इतना flowers and all सब था मेरे सर पे. After that so there was nothing on my hands. Then I sat again जो उनमें से कोई आया था. They applied it again for me and now I've slept with it overnight. फिर भी कुछ नहीं हुआ.
Beautiful. शानदार. बहुत ही बढ़िया भाई. First time you showed me this outfit when you wore it. And right now.
मच डिफरेंस ना वो तो
Much,
खुद ही
much
वो तो आशा और मैंने ड्रेप करी थी ऐसी.
Yes.
आ जाओ आ जाओ.
Happy wedding day!
How are you?
Finally!
You made it. No, I'm not sure about the lenses.
Okay, see it once it's done and then we'll take it off if you don't like it.
Yeah, because I can't see anything. Like everything is blurry and I can't. We just wanted to find something closer to Delhi. So we started looking at these options and then we're like, this is like Addy was here on a family holiday and he's like, this is a really nice venue. So the first time I came was to do property recce. I had never been before that.
Okay.
So then we saw this one and I was like, yeah, this is really pretty. And then other things also, like we wanted to do a 3-day wedding instead of a 2-day wedding. Because right after cocktail for people to wake up for a South Indian wedding is too much. So that's why we had like a filler day. My original plan was to just have mehendi at home.
Yeah.
Very low-key. But then we were like, what will we do with a filler day? So then we kept mehendi and haldi also here. My outfits are as if I've planned a summer wedding. No cold has been considered in this.
ऐसी वेडिंग तो हम बहुत ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड हैं कि क्या होने वाला है, क्या क्या रस्में रहेंगी. सो आई हैव नेवर सीन इट एंड आई एम वेरी वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर टुडे बिकॉज इट्स द बिग डे फॉर बोथ आशा एंड आडी एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी फॉर बोथ ऑफ देम. लेट्स गो.
Sweet.
There's a very special detail that I have hidden in this sari because when we were designing it, I wanted to honor the women that have raised me in some little way possible. My nani actually couldn't be here because she's unwell, but my mom, my masi, my sisters, they are all here. They have seen me through so many different phases of my life and I wanted to carry them with me in this next chapter. So I had all of their names embroidered on the drape of my sari and they actually have no idea. They are going to see it for the first time today, so I'm very very excited.
It's looking really nice otherwise also the natural.
Yeah, I agree.
White tika.
New trend. She's ready. Very pretty.
Thank
Thank you. Thank you so much. Go. I'll see you soon. Okay. We are going to do a first look with everybody, but they should be ready for that on time. And then
The
meet
bride's
me
been
here.
ready like the entire time, guys. You've just literally.
I think she's the only one on this.
I am the only one ready for all functions before time.
Like you have to touch your hand first, talk to each other, then turn.
अब उसको रिवर्स में चलने बोलो. उसको बोल दो ना रिवर्स में चलने. आपको सीधा क्यों आ रहा है इतना?
चलेगा.
अच्छा वो मेरे को देखते देखते ही आ रहा है पूरा.
हाँ तो वो तो ऐसे ही आएगा ना.
ऐसे हुडी डाल के खड़ी रहूँ मैं.
हाँ. You take the first touch first. You go there, like you guys are standing opposite to each other. Hold your hands. Talk to each other. Not ये सब नहीं करना है. थोड़ा control.
चश्मा उतार के चश्मा नहीं पहनना.
नहीं without चश्मा without चश्मा. Good.
सब ठीक है. थोड़ी ठंड लग रही है. बाकी तो सब मस्ती है.
Okay, wider. मगर पीछे पेड़ से.
Let's go.
Give it to her.
Show me ना photo.
हाँ बीमार हो जाऊंगा मैं तो ऐसे.
What temperature is this?
It's too windy.
Feels like 5 degrees.
It's windy, that's why it's
Yeah.
so cold. It's actually
And नीचे
not
जाके
cold
तो
today.
और भी
आज तो
windy
23
Shit, there's
degrees होने लगा.
girls coming in Kanjivaram sarees. Who are they? I think it's my mom. Should I show my mom my outfit then?
How's it looking? Wow. Pretty. So pretty. Beautiful.
इतना को साउथ इंडियन.
Nice. टीका लगा?
हाँ लगा है.
That's very important. टीका लगना बहुत जरूरी होता है.
Grave with dates. Engrave with dates.
Shut up, that is so cute.
Clothes and everything. So beautiful.
Oh wow.
Oh my, are you kidding me, dude?
Oh. So pretty. Very nice. I can't take it off.
For 1 second.
I'm gonna do it with the rope.
Yeah, do it with a robe just for the dove.
मुझे भी निकालना चाहिए फिर तो अपना शॉल.
Mr. Ramzan. जादू जादू I will feel that I am married after I go back home.
Yeah, that's it. That is when gonna hit you, right?
Then smile. Yeah. Ready? 1, 2, 3, and walk.
ऐसे खड़े रहते हो प्लीज थोड़ी धूप आ रही है.
फ्रेम में तो नहीं है वो.
How are the photos? Liking it?
Looks very nice. अब we'll take some decor पे भी जाके. Have you seen the setup? No?
I think that we walked by it.
Yeah, it's here only.
लगा दूँ ऐसे करके।
लग रहा है क्या आपको साइड से? चलो my pallu is
Is it different shades of the same color? It's just
yeah, it's called a dhoop
बहुत
chhaw
सुंदर है.
sari. Dhoop chhaw sari.
Okay.
मतलब it catches light and light में फिर वो silver gold का
बहुत दिखता है.
mix होता है. हाँ, चलो ठीक है बुला रहे हैं.
आज तो अप्रूवल आने वाला है.
इसका चश्मा लगा के भाई अभी आ रहे हो.
लेकर आ जाओ दुल्हन को.
उसको भी मिल रहा है फुटेज एंड देन दिस इज द स्पेस लेफ्ट फॉर
तुम्हें रील बनाना चाहिए all of you with the गमछा.
Yes.
But is it comfortable outfit?
Yeah, it's very comfortable.
Very comfortable.
Yeah. Just feels like मेरी कभी भी गिर जाए नीचे से बस उसकी टेंशन थोड़ी है. And उठने बैठने उसके लिए भाई थोड़ी. तो शॉर्ट्स के ऊपर ही बनवा दिया. Bro fully बैठे लग रहे हैं.
बस ऐसे.
ये सर के ऊपर.
ऐसे
मतलब यहाँ होना. अच्छा ऐसे होना है बस ठीक है. वो तो अरे वो तो बोल दो तो मैं आगे खड़ा हो जाता हूँ तो ऐसे ही गायब होते हैं.
ड्रॉप इन द सेंस मतलब वहाँ पे छोड़ मत देना.
हाँ नीचे
ऐसे ही बस.
एक बंदा पकड़ के.
मतलब एक
With grace, with grace. Yes.
खुशहाल है कोई एक डिसाइड करना कौन ड्रॉप कर रहा है और दूसरा बंदा पकड़ के.
ठीक है.
आ जाओ आपके.
You guys have seen Addie's dogs at the wedding. They look adorable, but I also was very sad that I couldn't bring my dog Leo to the wedding. Obviously, it's very far, but also he lost his eyesight in 2022. And I just wanted him to be a part of my special day in some way or the other. So I thought of entering the wedding with a veil in front of my face, and I wanted his paw prints to be all over the veil so that that's the first thing that people see, and also him not being there physically, but it would feel like he was walking me down the aisle.
Can't describe in words, but feeling very overwhelmed and emotional right now. But I'm very happy.
Like all the women in my house. And then there is space for all the future generations. I told the designer, I'm like, my whole family is going to come to increase the embroidery on this for generations. Dig bhi rahe ki nahi, it's a very subtle like detail. Nice. Look at his fucking angle. Yeah, just hold it tight ऐसा.
इसलिए नहीं कर रहा था मैं भाई.
अरे कुछ नहीं होता है.
हो गया.
भाई प्यार है प्यार है सी प्यार है.
Mid-event or once you were fully ready. Because like these things are fragile, so I'm happy whatever had to just happen now.
Then we can fix it in place.
Excited for pictures. That's it.
She's not fitting in the buggy.
This red dupatta also. Yeah. Wait.
I think ये पता है. I think that car. Yeah.
Done? Wait. One step. Just watch your step.
वो नकुल खड़ा होगा बाहर, उसको बोल मेरे हेयर वेयर वालों को भेजना भाई.
Whatever side Ashna is on, that should be free. So जो drape आएगी वो उस side पे होगी. So drape उस side पे आएगी और
ऐसे हाँ. इधर इस साइड. मैं सोचा नहीं था मैं कभी बोलूँगा कि दूल्हा लग रहा हूँ कि नहीं. भाई चाबी रख ले, कमरे की चाबी संभाल ले.
ले जाएंगे.
Come.
gonna be worth it.
Yeah.
You can drink.
Tell me which.
How was the shoot?
I haven't seen anything, but लग तो रहा है कि बहुत अच्छा है. मुझे actually ना वेल के साथ यहाँ पे फोटोज लेनी है, तो I can do that बैठ के. मेरी बहनों को बुलाना पड़ेगा लेकिन.
मैं बुला देती हूँ.
हाँ. तो हम वो फोटोज यहीं कर लेंगे ना.
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत सुंदर. I had seen it, but ये आज एकदम completely different लग रहा है. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है.
Nice. What about you?
Too beautiful. She had put the chunari on her face, so I had not seen her face. And when she like removed it, wow, it was amazing. He's sitting in the car. He's so cute. You all need to go out and see this car that passed. He's sitting in the front seat. So cute.
that, yeah, please.
I got one. I got one. इधर से. हाँ ठीक है.